In this video, you will learn how to approximate rounding off numbers to the nearest 10, 100, and 1000. If you have any further question or contribution, let me know in the comments section. It's maths simply made simple. Enjoy.
Once again, guys, very quickly we'll be looking at approximation together. Quite simple a topic. So approximation is a topic. Now under approximation, we'll be looking at rounding numbers to the nearest tens, hundred, and thousand. Now there are some basic rules. I call them 5 rules or 5 guides when you're approximating. So we have 5 easy steps to follow when we're approximating. Let's quickly go over those 5 steps very quickly. The first one is that you draw a vertical line to the right of the place value digits that is required. Now, what does all this long sentence mean? It means when they give you a particular place value to approximate to, assuming they give you approximate or round off or to the nearest tens, nearest 100 for instance. Now I will locate where my 100 place value is. You have your units, your tens, your 100. I'll get where my 100 place value is, and I will draw a line to the right of that number. Again, look where your place value is, units, tens, 100. Then I draw a line to the right of that required place value. Right, so for the number 2, I said look at the next digit to the required place value. Once I've drawn my line, I'll check the next digit. That is the number after the line. Do you get that? Then for number 3, if it is 5 or more, add 1 to the digits in the required place value. Now, after checking the next digit, and you find out that the digit there is 5 or more, that means you have to round up. 5 or more means if it is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, it means you have to round up. Do you get that? And rounding up means you will have to add 1 to the digits in the required place value. One will do examples if you get to understand better. While in case for number 4, if it is 4 or less, that means you're having 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, you round down. Now rounding down means you add 0, you add nothing to the digits in the required place value. And then finally, once you've done that, you fill any space to the right of the line with what? Zeros. Do you get that? So very easy steps. You don't have to memorize all this, just know how to apply them and then you're good to go. So example 1 without much adding. So I have round 4,853 to the nearest 10, 100, and 1000. Okay, solution. Let's have our question now. To the nearest 10 first. How do I approximate to the nearest 10? Okay, remember I said you will check your place value of 10, you check for the number that is at that place value of 10, at the required place value. So I'm having, what's my unit? 3 is my unit, 5 is my 10. So this is the required place value. What's the first step? You draw a line to the right of it, as you would see now. Now I have my line. The next thing is that you check the number after the line. Now the next number immediately after the line is what? 3. Now when I have 3, remember for steps 3 and 4, you will check, is the number 5 or more, or is it 4 and less? For 3, 3 is definitely less than 4, so that means I'll be rounding down. And for rounding down, remember you add 0 to the required place value digits. So I'll be adding plus 0 to 5. Now my answer will be what? 4, 8, 5 plus 0 remains 5. Then the number to the right of the line will change to what? 0. I have just 1 0 in this case. So my answer will be 4850. That is 4,850. Very simple. Now to the nearest 100. Nearest 100 again, I'll check my place value. 3 my unit, 5 my tens, 8 my 100. So I'll draw my line to the right of it. Once I draw my line, I'll check the number immediately after the line. Please don't go to 3, go check the number immediately after the line, which is 5. Will I round up or down? Definitely I'll round up because there's 5 or more. So I'll be adding 1 to his then. So I'll do 1. Then so my answer will be 4. 8 plus 1 will give me what now? 9. Then remember the other numbers after the line will change to 0. So I'll be having 2 zeros in this case. So my answer will be 4900. Yeah, like that. And then that's what 4,900. It's quite simple, please. You should understand this. To the final question. It's the nearest thousand. Okay, my place value again. Units, tens, hundred, and thousand. So my line to the right of the thousand, somewhere here. All right, I'll check the number after the line, immediately after the line, which is what, 8. Round up or down? Tell me. Oh, thank you. You're following. So I'll round up. Rounding up, I'll add 1 to my 4, which is at the thousandth place value. So that will be 4 plus 1 right on top. So my answer will be 4 plus 1, 5. Then every other number after the line will change to what? 0. So I'll be having zeros, 0, 0. So my answer is what? 5000, which is what? 5,000. That's how you approximate the nearest 10, 100, and 1,000. Very simple. Let's do one more example so I'll be sure you understand. So example is round 76,982 to the nearest 10, 100, and 1,000. The same procedure, please. The same. Okay, with a very slight difference, you get to see it. One moving. Now to the nearest 10. Okay, again my place value, 2 is my unit, 8 is my 10. So my line will come after it. Then I check the number after the line. So in this case, I'll be rounding down because it's not up to 5. Sometimes I'll add 0 to my 8, that's plus 0. My answer will then be 7, 6, 9, 8 plus 0 remains 8. The number after the line changes to 0. So that will be 7, 6, 9, 8, and 0, which is 76,980. For my 100, okay, I have my units, I have my tens, I have my 100. Now please pay attention to this. This is where you could get a bit confused, but it's still very easy. Again, my place value, I have my units, I have my tens, I have my 100. So my line will come after my 100. I'll check the number after the line, 8 in this case. I'll be rounding up, which means I'll add plus 1 to the number at the place value 100. So plus 1 will go right there. Now the issue is I'm having 9 for that place value already, and 1 plus 9 will give me what? 10. And I can't, it's not possible to contain 10 in the same place value. So what do? Just like a normal addition, you drop the 0 and then you carry the 1. As simple as that. If I have multiple 9s, okay, let's say I have 999, 1 plus 9, 10, 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 9, 10, 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 9, 10, 0, carry the 1. So you can finally drop the 1. Do you get that? So it's nothing confusing, just basic maths that you know already. Okay, so I'll be having 1 plus 9, that'll be what? 10. So you can say I've dropped the 0, then I'm carrying the 1 to the next number. So 1 plus 6 now is what? 7. Okay, because it's not 9, so I can just move on. So my answer now will be what? 7, 6 plus 1, 7. Then the 0 I dropped here. Then remember, numbers after the line will change to what? 0, 0. So my answer is 7, 7, 0, 0, 0. Just like that. I hope you do understand that. That's 77,000. Now, okay, let's do our the nearest 1,000 now. I'm having my unit as 2 still, my tens 8, my 100 9, my 1,000 6. So my line will come after 6. Now check the number for the line. In this case, I have 9. So I'll be adding plus 1 because I'm rounding up. So plus 1 to 6. So my answer then will be 7, 6 plus 1, 7. Every other number after the line will change to 0, 0, 0, right? So I'm having 77,000. Again, now you can see that, let me say this so you don't think you're doing nonsense. When it's the nearest 100, you can say I'm having 77,000 here. It looks contradicting. You said approximately the nearest 100 and then I'm having 1,000. Please, when you have a situation like this, know that it is not your fault. That's the way the question is. So far, you've done the right thing, you're right on track, and you're correct. It's like saying you're having 77,000. Please, do you get that? So don't start thinking that, hey, am I correct? 100, yeah, you are correct. Like I even see that both the 100 and the 1,000, they have the same answer. You're good to go. So far, you did the right thing. Anytime you're having 9 on the place value and you're rounding up, you will most likely get this kind of situation. So please do we understand it. So that's all for approximation. Very simple, like I said. So bye for now. Again, if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. All right, take care.